Let's pour 650 milliliters of milk into a saucepan. Add the peel of 1 lemon to the pan. Add 1 cinnamon stick. Bring the milk to the boil. Allow the milk to cool. Separate the egg whites from the yolks of 8 eggs. Set the egg whites aside. Add sugar to the egg yolks. Mix well until you obtain a creamy texture. Set aside. Add about 30 milliliters of milk to 90 grams of plain flour. Mix well. Add the flour mixed with milk to the egg yolks mixed with sugar. Add the milk that was left to cool. Add the mixture we prepared. Over low heat, stir continuously until it thickens. Once it thickens and stabilizes at that point, it will be ready for the next step. Remove from the heat and allow to cool. Whisk the egg whites until stiff peaks form. Gently fold the whisked egg whites into the egg yolk mixture. Using a large spoon, place the mixture into the baking tray. Sprinkle with ground cinnamon. Bake at 190 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. It looks delicious!